Want to create these YouTube shots for your YouTube channel? Just use only two AI tools for free, CANVA and ChatGPT. These two AI tools will gonna help you for creating your video. Only in 3 minutes. First of all, open the ChatGPT and paste this paragraph. I will give you this paragraph in the description box. Second thing, open the Canva and then select the background. I am selecting the sunset. After selecting the background, I selected three text boxes. First I name topic, second I name part 1 and third I name part 2. In the part 1, copy this part 1 ChatGPT fact and then paste it in the part 1 text box. You can also create this part 1 and part 2 part 3 boxes topic text boxes, so it will help you to creating the facts. After pasting this, the same thing will gonna happen with the part 2 box. And then change the topic as the topic name. I unbold the facts so it will look more beautiful like this. If you want to watch this short video, I will give you the link in the description box. For more videos, like and subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends so they can create their own channel.